program. Feeling super tired again, as usual. Not really as usual. A lot of times I have a lot of energy. But right now, we're pulling so many all-nighters that it's really starting to build up a little bit. But we got our center stage kind of set up and locked up. You see we got a camera tripod. This tripod's going to be for a different camera as well as some other lighting. Probably some top lighting that'll come up and over. We got another. This will be for video as well. And then what we'll also do is have one with a timer. You can see it's counting down right now. That way you can kind of keep track as we go through. It's only 2 pages, so we're trying to get it memorized. We got probably 70-80% of it memorized, maybe even the whole thing. It's more about just getting it out when you need to get it out in the moment, right? So we got to keep it to 3 minutes. It's a 3-minute pitch, no props. What we'll do is, as we get to the next round, after we make this cut, is we'll probably project on from one of the tripods the presentation on this wall, and then we'll be able to kind of like mock up and like present and practice so that we can. It's a lot. It's a lot. Yeah. So just trying to keep my cool. It's going really well. It's just, you gotta just, in the moment, right? Just keep it together and recognize that you need to get this done at all costs. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get it done at all costs. You know, we're gonna win. I didn't go through all this for 3 years not to win. We're gonna win. We're gonna come home with the big W for sure. So we'll keep everybody up to date. Got some super cool video footage we're gonna get here soon of the prototype. Super excited about that. The copper handles were printed out and they look good. So yeah, a few more things to design. Actually, more of the fun stuff over the next couple days, and we'll wrap that up. That'll be done. 5 months later, it's done, right? That's how it works. So right now, it's trying to just refine the pitch, get the words right, get your tone right, and like I said, win. Catch up with you later. You're out.